There's no better time during the whole year for killing weeds than in the fall. There's a lot of different weeds that have popped up all summer long. Morning glory, thistles, mallow, clover. We're starting to see a lot of spurge. And best time to control those is usually September through October, because the temperatures are cooling down. The weeds will pick up that herbicide and run it down in the root system. Kills the whole root out, especially on the morning glory. It's really hard to kill. Best morning glory killer we've got is the Weed Free Zone from Ferti-Lome. It works quick, works on all the hardest to kill weeds, breaks down very quickly, and you see results in a very short amount of time. Usually within 24 hours you'll see those weeds curling up. Comes in a concentrate, will cover about 10,000 square feet, and also comes ready to use, so you can just go spot treat and just hit those few weeds that have popped up in the yard during the summertime.